Good morning class. Today I want to describe about number system for class 9. I want to describe exercise 1.3 question number 5. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. I want to describe about repetition of rational number till 16 digit. Clear? Repetition of given number till 16 digit. Clear? Firstly, I want to describe you what is a rational number. A number which we can write in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0 is called rational number. Rational number are two types. First, terminating rational number, and second, non-terminating but repeating rational number. Today I want to describe about repeating rational number. Question is clear? No confusion? Very good. Concentrate your mind and see the board. Number system, class 9, exercise 1.3, question 5. What can the maximum number of digit be in repeating block of digit in the decimal expansions of 1 by 17? Clear? Perform the division to check your answer. It means you perform division. Finding of the value of 1 by 17 till 16 digit is very easy. You divide it and then you can find very easily your answer. It is very easy, no confuse. It is very easy. It is only division. Okay? Division is very easy. So you can solve your question very easily. See the board. Solution. Here maximum number of digit in the repeating block of digit in the decimal expansions of 1 by 17 is 17 minus 1 equal to 16 digit. It means 1 by 17 is repeated till 16 digit. Clear? Now divide 1 by 17 till 16 digit. 1 by 17. 1 divided by 17. You cannot divide 1 by 17 because 1 is less than 17 and 17 is more than 1. So you write decimal Firstly you write decimal and then write a 0 after 1. It become 10. It become 10. Now 10 is less than 17. So you cannot divide 10 by 17. You write a 0 after decimal and a 0 after 10. 10 become 100. It is 100. 100 divided by 17 because 100 is more than 17 and 17 is less than 100. So you can divide 100 by 17. 17 5 are 85. You subtract 85 from 100. You find 15. You write 0 after 15. It become 150. Now you divide 150 by 17. You find 136. 9, 17, 8 ja 136. 136 divided by 17, you find 14. You write 0 after 14, it become 140. Now you divide 140 by 17. 17 8 ja 136. You subtract 136 from 140, you find 4. Then you write 0 after 4, it become 40. Now you divide 40 from 40 by 17. 17 2 ja 34. Subtract 34 from 40, you find 6. Write 0 after 6, it become 60. 60 divided by 17. 17 3 ja 51. 51 subtract by 60, you find 9. Clear? Write 9. You write 0 after 9, it become 90. Now you divide 90 by 70. 17 5 is 85. You subtract 85 from 90, you find 5. Then you write 0. After 5, it become 50. 50 divided by 17. 17 to the 34. 34 subtract from 50, you find 16. 16. You write 0. After 16, it become 160. 160 divided by 17. 17 9 is 153. 153 subtract from 160, you find 7. Then you write 0 after 7, it becomes 70. 70 divided by 17. 17 4 is 68. You subtract 68 from 70, you find 2. Then you write 0 after 2, it becomes 20. 20 divided by 17. 17 1 is 17. You subtract 17 from 20, you find 3. You write 0 after 3. It becomes 30. 30 divided by 17. 17 1 is 17. You subtract it. You subtract 17 from 30. You find 13. You write 0 after 13. It becomes 130. Now you divide 130 by 17. 17 7 is 119. 119 subtract from 130, you find 11. Then you write 0 after 11, it becomes 110. Now you divide 110 by 17. 17 6 is 102. You subtract 102 from 110, you find 8. Then you write 0 after 8, it becomes 80. You divide 80 by 17. 17 4 is 68. 68 subtract from 80, you find 12. Then you write 0 after 12, it becomes 120. Now you divide 120 by 17. 17 7 is 119. 119 subtract from 120, you find remainder 1. You find remainder 1. Your answer is clear. Now 1 by 17 equal to decimal 05882323529411764 bar. Clear? It is repetition till 16 digit. Clear? Bar means repetition. It means this number is repeated. Clear? No confusion. Hence a block 16 digit is repeated. Hence proved. You find very easily your answer. In this way you can find the repetition of any number till any digits. Clear? It is very easy. It is only division. Division is easy for you, so you can solve any question in this way, and you can find the repetition and solution of any question very easily. Okay, right? No confusion. Very good.